Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to add link to TikTok bio. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on TikTok app. Okay, then tap on profile, then click on three line option. Okay, then tap on edit profile. Okay, then bio option, add a bio. Okay, then back, then option is link option, then add link Instagram, add link YouTube, then logging with Instagram. That's add link to this option, then logging, then link is add. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.